In October 2025, Realme unveiled the Realme GT 8 and GT 8 Pro. Several smartphone brands are expected to offer dual 200-megapixel cameras on their flagship offerings this year. Tipster Smart Pikachu claims that the Realme GT 9 series current plan appears to favor a dual 200-megapixel camera setup aimed at pushing imaging performance higher, along with strengthened co-branded image tuning. The Realme GT 8 Pro already features a 200-megapixel primary camera, and it appears that the Realme GT 9 Pro's rear camera setup could include a pair of 200-megapixel sensors, likely for the main and periscope telephoto cameras. The leak suggests that the Ricoh partnership will offer deeper tuning for an enhanced photography experience. Realme GT 9 lineup will likely be announced in October this year. The GT 9 Pro may feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 and bypass charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.